The key to recycling is to separate the polymers in different kinds because they don't melt at the same temperatures. So they need to be well separated and each of them can be recycled. In 1992, France passed a law in order to forbid waste dumps all over the country. And we decided that we should automate this kind of sorting that was needed to recycle all these matters. So at that time we had been building robots to pick fruits like apples in the orchards, and so the idea was simply take the arm and instead of looking at one tree, put the arm above a conveyor belt, pick the waste, sort it into 8 different bins, and that's it.
At Pelenc, we address the challenge of actual waste business model, where we just put garbage into landfill or ocean. We want to put waste into new resources.
Sensors are the key to such machines. Like a rainbow inside a machine, you take the whole light that's coming from the object, and certain colors are going to be synonymous of certain materials. Okay, here we are showing different false colors that represent matters. So the green one stands for Tetra Pak, the blue one for PET, the yellow one for HDPE, and the brown one for cardboard or paper. Our spectrometer works very simply and real time. We can analyze the whole width of a conveyor belt at 3 meters per second and even more. In this application, we are blowing the graphic paper upwards. We are leaving the rest of the materials in the middle, and in that case we don't blow anything downwards.
Our machines are very versatile, are able to detect all those subtle differences between the different kind of materials. Inside Europe, in plastics, it's 30% landfill, 30% is incinerated, and 30% are considered as recycled, but 50% of the 30% is actually exported, which give us a responsibility to build a real circular loop.
It turns out that the rate of recycled plastics in the new plastics is still very low. It's lower than the official recycling rate. And what we really would like is to see at least 50% of the new bottles being made of recycled plastics. We are still far from it.
We see definitely a development. Like this company, we moved from 0 to 30 million euro turnover, from 0 employee to today 150 employee, 50 actually inside the R&D. So we see, development.
To tell you the truth, we thought we had the solution when we started, and we thought the problem would go away in a matter of a few years. Actually, we've been very disappointed to realize a few years ago how little European industry had been advancing towards this goal. So the good news is we're going to have jobs here in this factory for many more years.
So it's about promoting, the industry of the recycling, not only promoting Pelenc or promoting a machine as, sales, marketing. It's more like the idea of promoting there is solution into the world that we need to bring back all together. Therefore, the platform Solar Impulse is such, wide impact on the planet that I saw it's good to bring Pelenc and to bring, let's say, recycling technology into these games. They are one of the key components to make things changing.